Boys, today we are going to see about civics first lesson, that is equality. Now we shall move on to the lesson. First we are going to see about what is equality. Boys, just imagine, according to your knowledge, what is equality? Yes, we all are equal, that is equality. Okay, we all are equal on the basis of characteristic including areas of race, gender, disability, religion or belief, sexual orientation and age. What is the meaning of this? Characteristics, race. We are belonging to any race, that is no problem. And disability. What is disability? Some handicapped people are there, no? That is only called disability. Religion or belief. If we follow any religion, there is no problem. But according to law, we all are equal. If you are a Hindu, no problem. If you are a Muslim, no problem. If you are a Christian, no problem. But all are treated equal before law. Sexual orientation. What is sexual orientation? You are male and you are female. You two are equal. Okay, that is only the meaning of sexual orientation. And age. If you are a young child, no problem. If you are an old man, no problem. You all are equal before law. Next we are going to see about importance of equality. Equality is a powerful moral and political ideal that has inspired and guided human society for many centuries. All human beings are equal regardless of their caste, color, gender, race or nationality. So all human are equal of their caste, color, gender, race or nationality. You are belonging to lower caste and upper caste, that is no problem. You all are equal before law. Okay, if you are a white man and if you are a black man, no problem, you all are equal. If you are a male and female, so according to gender also all are equal. If you are a Indian, if you are a American, no problem, all men are equal. Okay, next we are going to see about kinds of equality. There are 4 kinds of equality in our book. First one is social equality, second one is civil equality, third one is political equality and final one is gender equality. First we are going to see about social equality. What is social equality? Social equality means that all citizens have to enjoy equal status in society. In our society, all men have to enjoy social equality. Okay, there should not be any discrimination of caste, creed, color and race. There should not be any discrimination. What is the meaning of discrimination? Difference. Okay, there is no difference based on caste, creed, color and race. All should have treated equal. All men should have treated equal. Next we are going to see about civil equality. Civil equality is enjoyment of civil rights by all citizens. All countries have their own civil rights. Yes or no? Yes. Civil equality is nothing but enjoyment of civil rights by all citizens. So discrimination means differences. There should not be any differences of superior or inferior. Superior means very high, inferior means very low. We always hear these words, no? Superiority complex and inferiority complex. So that is only. Okay, the rich and poor, very richest people and very poor people, and caste or creed. What is the meaning of creed? A system of religious belief. Okay, Hinduism, Muslim, Islam, Christianity. Okay, that is only called creed. Equal rights should be available to all the persons. Equal rights must available to all the persons. All are equal and equal treatment is given to all by the rule of law. By the rule of law, all are equal and equal treatment must be given. All are treated equally. That is only the meaning of this. This rule only followed in India now. Yes or no? All are equal. This rule only followed in India now. Next we are going to see about political equality. This political equality is nothing but right to vote. In India, all persons have the right to vote. Yes or no? Yes. Second one is right to hold public office. We can do any jobs. Yes or no? Government jobs and private jobs without any caste, creed, discrimination. So that is only the meaning of this. Right to criticize the government. What is the meaning of criticize? Indicate the faults. All people have the right to indicate the faults of the government. Citizens should have equal opportunity to actively participate in the political life. So all citizens have to participate in the political life. These rights can be enjoyed through the universal adult franchise. What is the meaning of universal adult franchise? Who has attained 18 years of age without any discrimination, that person have the right to vote. This is the meaning of universal adult franchise. In India, the voting right is given to all the citizens. Yes or no? In our country, the voting right is given to all the citizens who has attained 18 years. India is the first country to give the right to vote to women from the very first general election held in the year 1952. So, boys, remember this year 1952. In 1952, India introduced women can vote, this rule. Okay. In Switzerland, the right to vote is given to women in 1971. But in Switzerland, this vote is given to women in 1971 only. Any person who has completed the age of 25 years can contest in the election. What is the meaning of contest? Enter. Any person who has completed 25 years, that person can enter into the election. Right to criticize the government is also very important. Right, and the people can express their represent through demonstrations. So we can criticize the government. What is the meaning of criticize? I already told. Yes, indicate the faults of the government. This is the meaning of criticize. The value of the vote of the Prime Minister and the value of the vote of common man in general election is same. Yes or no? In our country, the value of the vote of common man and the value of vote of Prime Minister, two are same. This is called as political equality. So this equality only called as the political equality. Boys, in this chapter we saw about what is equality, importance of equality, kinds of equality, social equality, civil equality and political equality. Okay. In next class we will see about gender equality and human dignity, equality of opportunity and education, equality in Indian Constitution. Okay, thank you.